Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and greetings to our lecturer Dr. Syahmi bin Sanusi, and today I want to present about methodology to validate using the MATLAB. Okay, so we proceed about the first design. So on the first step, we enter to the MATLAB coding. The value of M is 97, 0, 0 and 60. We enter the value of K is 930,000, negative 660,000, and negative 660,000, and 660,000. And we can just say that we enter the code of the VD equal to agent K, comma M, and we can display the value of the highest and the lowest frequency of the first design. That is 40.1711 and 137.7458. And we also can display for the mode shape for display V equal to 0.583 and negative 0.7249. Okay, so we can see that the value of the first design natural frequency graph, this is the lowest. 0 will be decreased into the negative 0.8 and will be increased to the 1. And for the highest natural frequency first design graph, we can see that the graph is decreased proportionally to the 0, to the negative 0.7, and increase proportionally to the 1, and decrease back to the 0. Okay, so we proceed about the second design. So we enter the code into the MATLAB and insert the value of the M is 97, 0, 0 and 60, and the value of the K is 1.35 to the power of 6, negative 660 to the power of 10, power of 3, and negative 660 times to the power of 3, and lastly 660 to the power of 3. And we insert the value of the VD and eigenvalue Km, and we can and MATLAB show us about the highest and the lowest natural frequency, that was 60.7068 and 145.7128. To find the mode shape, we can find by enter the VI formula, that was 0.6650 is equal to semicolon I. And we can see that the value of the mode shape of the V1 is 0.6650 and 1. And the value of the mode shape for V2 is negative 0.9302 and 1. And we can also plot the graph of the highest and the lowest natural frequency by enter the coding of mode 1 bracket 0 semicolon V1 semicolon 0 close of the bracket and semicolon, and same also for the highest natural frequency, that was mode 2, open the bracket 0 semicolon V2 semicolon 0 and close the bracket. So this is the graph for the second design for the lowest natural frequency. You can see that the value of the 0 increase proportionally into the 0.6 and increase again in the 1 and decrease above 0.1. And lastly, for the graph of the highest natural frequency of the second design, you can see that the value of the 0 decrease into the negative 0.9 and increase upwardly into the 1 and decrease into the 0. Thank you.